Good morning, children. Sairam. Let's start today's maths class. Today we will do exercise 6.1. Question number 1. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? Part 1, 81. Unit digit of 81 is 1. So square of 1 is equal to 1. Unit digit of square of 81 is 1. Got it? Next one. 272. Unit digit of 272 is 2. Square of 2 is equal to 4. So the unit digit of square of 272 is 4. Third part, 799. Unit digit of 799 is 9. Square of 9 is equal to 81. So the unit digit of square of 799 is 1. Fourth part, 3853. Unit digit of 3853 is equal to 3. Square of 3 is equal to 9. So the unit digit of square of 3853 is equal to 9. Fifth part, 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. Square of 4 is equal to 16. So the unit digit of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 6. So unit digit of square of 1, 2, 3, 4 is 6. Sixth part, 26387. Unit digit of 26387 is 7. Square of 7 is 49. So the unit digit of square of 26387 is 9. Seventh part, 52698. Unit digit of 52698 is 8. Yes. So the square of 8 is equal to 64. So the unit digit of square of 52698 is 4. Eighth part, 99880. Unit digit of 99880 is 0. So the unit digit of square of 99880 is 0. Next part, ninth part, 12796. Unit digit of 12796 is 6. Square of 6 is equal to 36. So the unit digit of square of 12796 is 6. Next part, 10th part, 55555. Unit digit of 55555 is 5. Square of 5 is equal to 25. So the unit digit of square of 55555 is 5. By this part, we completed question number 1. Let's come to the question number 2. Question number 2. The following numbers are obviously not perfect square. Give reason. Part 1, 1057. The unit place of 1057 is 7. And we know that if a number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even numbers of 0, yes, then only the number is a perfect square. This number is not a perfect square because it ends with 7. Got it? Next part. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Unit place of this number is 3. By the same reason. By this reason. This number is not a perfect square. Got it? Part 3rd. 7, 9, 2, 8. Unit digit of this number is 8. Again, same reason. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. And the even numbers of 0 are not there in this number. That's why not possible. 4th part. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. The unit digit of this number is 2. And at the end 2 is there. That's why not possible. Children, you will write the reason in every part. 5th part. 6, 4, 0, 0, 0. Unit digit of this number is 0. And in the odd numbers. Yes, that's why not possible. 6th part. 8, 9, 7, 2, 2. Unit digit of this number is 2. That's why not possible. 7th part. 2, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. Unit digit of the number is 0. But in odd numbers. That's why not possible. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Unit digit of the number is 0 but in odd numbers. Not possible. Now the remaining part of this question means question number 2 you will try. Question number 3. The squares of the following, of which of the following would be odd numbers? Part 1. 431. Unit digit of 431 is 1. Square of 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, square of 431 is a odd number. Part 2. 2826. Unit digit of 2826 is 6. Square of 6 is equal to 36. Therefore, square of 2826 is not an odd number. Part third. 7779. Unit digit of 7779 is equal to 9. Square of 9 is equal to 81. Square of 7779 is an odd number. Fourth part, 82004. Unit digit of 82004 is equal to 4. Square of 4 is equal to 16. Therefore, square of 82004 is not an odd number. By this, we had done question number 3. Now let's come to the question number 4. In this question, what we have to do? Observe the following pattern and find the missing digits. Now look children. 11 square is equal to 121. Now here 101 square is equal to 10201. Means here 1 0 increase, then here 1 0 increase and 1 0 increase. Yes. Now in third step, 2 0 increase, then 2 0 increase. Yes. Now the blank part, our part. This one is blank in our book. Yes. Now here count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros are there. Then we will write 4 zeros here and 4 zeros here. Got it? Now next step. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros are here. This part is blank in our book. So how many zeros we will write? We will write 6 zeros this side and 6 0 this side. Yes? Got it? Children, you can do the pattern question by any method. Till question number 4 we have done in the class. Question number 5 is your homework. Observe the following pattern and supply the missing numbers. Using trick, you have to solve this. You have to fill the missing numbers. Till question number 5, you will do in your fair notebook. I hope you are clear with everything till question number 5. Do your work neat and clean. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Sai Ram.